OnePlus 4 news and rumors. What we want to see in the next affordable Android killer. Looking for all the latest OnePlus 4 news? Here's where you'll find it. We've rounded up information on the OnePlus 4 release date, specs, price, and all the news and rumors you could hope for. Price and release date. OnePlus 4 release date, when's it out? Summer 2017. OnePlus 4 price, how much will it cost? Around £300, or $400. OnePlus 4 screen. A better, more accurate display. The display on the OnePlus 2 was far from fantastic, and while the OnePlus 3 improved on it substantially, it's still not perfect. First off is the resolution. Now, currently 1080p at 5.5-inches is fine and we can't spot pixels, but 2017 is going to be the year of VR on phones, and for that you need it to be a lot denser. Quad HD is really the minimum for VR, so hopefully OnePlus will finally give us that highly requested feature. With the emphasis OnePlus has already placed on virtual reality, sending out free headsets for the OnePlus 3 launch, we'd put big money on this being a tentpole OnePlus 4 feature. But it's not all about resolution, far from it. One of our only real complaints with the OnePlus 3 is the color representation of the panel. It gives off overcooked, unrealistic colors, and while this won't be a big issue for many, it's annoying once you notice it. OnePlus 4 battery life. More consistent, please. Our only other mega annoyance with the OnePlus 3 is its inconsistent battery life. In our tests we found it wasn't the best when it came to gaming performance, with stamina not always as good as it should be. We'd love the OnePlus 4 to have a bigger battery, as we really don't need the phone to be quite so thin. Bulk out the back with more battery, getting rid of that camera hump in the process, and you're golden. There's also some improvements that we'd like to see with the charging solutions. Yes, the dash charging used here is very fast, but you have to be using the charging brick and cable supplied with the phone. Use anything else and you're back to slow juice up speeds. Personally, we'd take marginally slower charging and better support for other cables and blocks simply for convenience. Less production issues and faster delivery. Even though the rightfully maligned invite system was finally scrapped for the OnePlus 3, it's not all smooth sailing if you actually want to hand over your cash and buy the thing. UK customers are complaining of hold-ups and delays to their orders, with OnePlus stating that the demand for the OnePlus 3 in the UK has been above and beyond what any of us expected initially. That seems a typically PR-friendly response. Surely OnePlus knows us Brits love a bargain. To become a real player, these sorts of delays and issues need to be completely stamped out. Until then, OnePlus just won't be taken completely seriously. OnePlus 4 design. Slightly more unique. Metal back. Curved sides. A home button sitting underneath the display. The OnePlus 3 is hardly unique when it comes to design. In fact, it looks like an iPhone 7 and an HTC One M9 had an unnatural offspring. For the OnePlus 4, we'd like to see the brand add a bit more individual style to the phone. Offer it up but in more colors that aren't restricted to gold and black, give it some flair and something that'll make us stand up and take note. Expandable storage. Normally, we'd be far more critical of a phone for not having an SD card slot, but as the OnePlus ships with 64 GB of storage anyway, it's not really a vital ingredient. Still, it's nice to have, and with adaptable storage letting you combine your internal and external storage into one, there seems less reasons than ever to leave it out. There's clearly space too, as the OnePlus 3 has space for dual SIMs.